Guys, I'm hearing the ice cream truck. Listen to its bell. You guys are gonna see what it looks like. No, I'm talking to my viewers. This is the old ice cream truck is back. Look at these guys. That girl is buying some ice cream. Yeah. Whoever makes these ice cream truck videos must see this video. Well, nothing will have happened. I'm gonna hear the bell again. This is our old ice cream truck, and it's finally back. More people are getting ice cream. I do not reveal it. That's it, I'm gonna end the video. Bye.